guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy, durable face mask. Very simple. First, you're going to need a piece of cloth, which is 28 by 4 inches. I prefer cotton because it's very breathable. You're also going to need 2 hair elastics of some sort. I'm using headbands in this video. First, I'm going to loop the headbands to make them small and then slip it through one end of the cloth. Flatten it out. Do the same with the other side. Now fold one end of the cloth into the middle. Flatten it out. Do the same with the other side. Now your face mask is complete. If you want, you can stitch on the top and the bottom and on the sides, leaving a small gap on the side as a pocket for extra filtering. We hope this helps you. Thanks for watching!